Welcome back to Peek Before You Sleep. This time we're staying at the Barceló Torre de Madrid hotel in a deluxe room. Let's jump inside and take a look. Here we are with the bedroom, a quick sweep around so you can see the space. Spoiler alert, we loved this hotel. We had come out to Madrid to work, so I was very pleased to learn that the Wi-Fi connection here was amazing. We had no troubles with anything like video calls while we were out here, and the room is a lot bigger than you might think from the photos that you will see online. So here we've got the plugs and charging sockets on either side of the bed. It is pushed together, but the beds themselves are actually separate, so it could be made up as a twin. And then opposite you, you've got a desk, which underneath has the minibar. And now a look at the view. We didn't pay for the city view upgrade, but it still felt pleasant enough to be looking out with the blue sky. So we were happy here. Onto the storage, you've got your desk on the right hand side that we've just passed by, which is actually really big and made working very comfortable. In the wardrobe, you've got hangers and shelf space. It felt really roomy. There are actually 3 doors that we'll look at in a moment, but a drawer to hide things. You've got your safe here, which slides out and was a decent size. We've got laptops, phones, passports, all of that in with no trouble. Then your robes and extra space in the 3rd door, and I absolutely had to show you my new favourite table. As we go through into the bathroom, you get a wave from me, which has become tradition. There were plenty of towels. The toiletries that were included felt like they were of good quality. There was a dental kit, vanity kit. That all felt like it meant you needed to bring less with you from home. But the best bit about this bathroom, you had a separate bathtub with a shower head available and then a separate shower unit. So we had some really nice evenings where we managed to relax in the bath reading a book, and it just felt like a really nice experience. Would definitely stay here again. So thank you for watching Peek Before You Sleep. Please make sure to like and subscribe for more hotel room tours.